Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. This well-maintained home is located in the quiet community of Mayday, Manchester. It lends itself to tray ceilings and planked floors. This house also comes complete with 2 living rooms, a welcoming kitchen and dining area, 5 bathrooms and 7 bedrooms. It manages to feel peaceful, whilst still being conveniently close to shops, nearby schools and great transportation system. Backyard gardening is an option. Having a barbecue is no issues, as the out kitchen is welcoming and backyard space is there to entertain your guest. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican $40 million or US $259.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.